So when we're talking about integrity and accuracy for your analytics, having a strong strategy is one of the first things we talk about. In utilizing a tool like Google Tag Manager, we utilize it with all our clients. The reason we use this is it leads to a much more efficient setup. Everything's centralized. We can do everything in Google Tag Manager rather than going on your site and putting a new script for every, ad channel you're in, or Google GA4. If you're just trying to get analytics from YouTube, things like that, we can put all the scripts from those different areas into Google Tag Manager. And one of the nice things about that is, let's say in GA4, you're trying to measure lead form submissions. We can set up what's called a tag in there, and then it has a trigger which tells that tag when to fire, right? The trigger will fire based on something like a specific page view, like a thank you page. Once we set that up, if we add Google Ads down the road, we can then move that trigger over to our Google Ads, which leads to consistency between GA4 and Google Ads. Now, just to note, their attribution models are different, so you might always see slightly different numbers, but it's as consistent as you can get because we know you're triggering the conversions off of the same trigger. It also allows us in GA4 to add things like custom events. So you can get at data that doesn't come out of the box within GA4. When you do the normal setup, we can start to measure things that are important to your business. And all of this ends up leading to custom reporting that you can really start to make decisions based off of. And again, you have that consistency between the different platforms, and you don't have to rewrite everything you do at the end.